Hi guys, it's Trish. Today we're going to be making a fun little elastic bracelet. We're going to be using some Beadalon Elasticity, this really cute unicorn Bliss bead mix from Jessie James Beads, and these adorable She's So Sweet beads, because they are drilled, so I'm going to call them beads, from Dress It Up Button. So let's get started. Okay, so I've opened up my bead mix here from Dress It Up Buttons, my lollipop beads, and my bead mix from Jessie James Beads. Like I said, I have some elasticity here, and I'm just going to work with this right off the roll. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out a piece, maybe about 9 or 10 inches, and just kind of stretch it on the roll. So I'm just kind of stretching that out just to kind of get it ready to take those beads. And this is going to be super simple and super fun, and you can make 100 of these if you wanted to because they're so simple. But basically all we're going to do, I'm going to dump my beads out here so I can see them a little better. And look how cute that packaging is. I just love these. And we're just going to start by feeding on some beads onto our elastic cord. So we're just going to make a design here. Simple as that. Just pick out whatever beads you like. I love these flower beads, so I'm going to pop some of those in. And this is 1mm elasticity. And if you wanted to, guys, you could certainly glue the bracelets when you're done. Just put a dot of glue on them. You could use some GS Hypo Cement. You could use E6000. Anything like that would work. So I'm just going to keep putting my beads on here till I get to a spot. I want to add one of my lollipops, and this comes with spacers and everything, so it makes life a lot easier when you're designing. You have everything that you need right there. Actually, I'm going to put this crystal on with these bead caps. I think that would be really cute. And then once I get that other bead cap on, I'm going to go ahead and add one of my lollipops from the She's So Sweet mix there. Let's see, what's the first one I want? Let's do this one. It doesn't really matter, guys. It's just however you like. But look how adorable that is on there. Can you stand it? And then we're just going to continue. I'm going to put another one of those bead caps on, and the crystal braid, or another crystal bead, and then another bead cap. Okay. And there we have one of our lollipops added. So let's go ahead and keep building. Put one of these adorable purple crackle beads on. These are so pretty. This is one of my favorite color trends mixes, the unicorn Bliss, because it just screams my color family. So now I'm going to add another lollipop here, and I'm going to put the other purple bead on the other side of that. Okay. And you can see how we're coming along there. So I basically put some beads on the end, and then I kind of am spacing them out now closer together. So I'm going to keep these three beads for the other side so I can make sure and coordinate what I had, this pink and these two blue. And I'm going to add a white bead in between. And then we'll go ahead and put a pink square. I think I'm going to put 3 of them on. Let's put one of these on here, because I like using odd numbers, and I think we'll have enough as far as length goes. But you can see how we're doing there. So I think, let me go ahead and measure. I have a tape measure down here at the bottom. I think I'm going to just add this side here, but I also think I'm going to go back and take this out and put it on this side. So just give me a minute to do that. Okay, so I did decide to add that last lollipop, and I'm just going to do again. I'm just going to do the knots, and I'm just going to do right over left, and I'm holding tension here, guys, as I'm making this knot. I'm holding tension with this left hand onto that other elastic cord again, and then I'm just going to do a third knot just to make sure I have everything snug and in place. And then what you would do, test it, make sure you're good, which we are. Then you would just put a dot of glue on here and then cut your strands. Once you have those cords cut snug down to the knot, you can just scooch your lollipop over and your knot pops right inside of there. So here is our finished bracelet, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick and fun little project you can do even with your kids, just to make a fun bracelet for summer. Thanks for joining me today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.